Here comes the ultimate Mother's Day weekend celebration featuring Grammy Award winner Anthony Hamilton and friends live in concert. Mother's Day weekend, Saturday, May 11th, 8 p.m. in the Atlanta Civic Center. The Grammy Award winning Anthony Hamilton live in concert. Coming with all his friends. Jeffrey Osborne. Plus, Sir Charles Jones. Hosted by MC Lightfoot. Get tickets for the perfect Mother's Day gift. Available at the Center Stage box office. Live in concert. Mother's Day weekend, Saturday, May 11th, in the Atlanta Civic Center. It's Anthony Hamilton, Jeffrey Osborne, and Sir Charles Jones. Another Sassy Mitchell Hare and Twilight 2 production.